Hi friends, this video shows how to stop or block updates of pre-installed apps or system apps. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Select apps. In some TV model, we have to go to device preferences. There we would be able to find apps section. Let me select apps here. Select see all apps. Here we can see list of installed apps. From this list we need to select Google Play Store. Let me select Google Play Store. In some TV model we have to go to system apps. Select show system apps. From system apps we can select Google Play Store. In this TV let me select Google Play Store from installed apps list. Select Google Play Store, select open. So now we are seeing Google Play Store app. Go to top right corner and select profile icon. Select settings. Select auto update apps. Here we can see two options: auto update apps at any time, then don't auto update apps. If you want to stop or block auto update of pre-installed apps and system apps, you have to select this as second option, don't auto update apps. So that way we can block or stop auto update of pre-installed apps and system apps. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.